Some people are teeth people. I'm a teeth person. I notice teeth. That's the first thing I notice. Teeth and shoes, it's pretty funny. I don't know where I got that.
I remember very clearly when she came to us, she was looking to replace one or two implants that were done by someone else, and she was not happy with it.
So I'd had 2 failed implants because they fell out and they were just put in.
So besides the frustration that she had with other providers, she wanted also a change in her smile.
I want my teeth to look natural, but I wanted a bump. I wanted just to change the shape a bit and just a little bit wider.
So I listened first and tried to understand what is it that she wanted to accomplish. Sure enough, we proposed to her a full mouth reconstruction, and that's what we ended up completing. The first thing that we do is collecting information and diagnostics. Information that we acquired with an intraoral scan. And with that information, we sit down and we start just designing what is it that we want. That's where the artistic part comes in, by the way. So I like to do the designs myself because I know the patient, because I've interviewed the patient, because I know what the patient is looking for, because I know a little bit of the personality. We overlap that same design with photographs of the patient, so we can actually foresee how the patient is going to look like. Once we had the design made from the aesthetic and functional, then we had to actually transmit that information to something that we call provisionals. Provisionals are plastic teeth. So we mill them here in-house. They have the information of the teeth that we want to give her. Almost done. This is a provisional. This is the shell that we have prepared for her. So the good thing about this is that it's custom made. So we're going to cement this on top of her existing teeth, and it's going to look gorgeous. Once we have that design and those provisionals are milled, we bring her in. She's the only patient that day. And that's how we like to do these cases. We don't want to be distracted with anything else. We dedicate 100% of the time to her.
That's what he does. That's when he says that's the one patient. So he doesn't jump around, which is really atypical for the profession.
Keeping teeth or removing teeth? That's the big question for many patients.
Dr. Castro believes in saving the teeth as much as he can.
Luckily for her, we were able to maintain most of her teeth because a tooth has advantages over implants. Even though implants are very good, saving a tooth is important because it helps us maintaining the amount of bone that is around and the gum that is around, and the appearance is going to be better.
Wow, they look great.
We good. I'm gonna let you wear them.
They look different. Look at the bottom.
Yes,
wow.
they're different.
They look. What do you think?
Because anything that I say is gonna bias you, and I don't need to bias. I already put some things of myself in there. So
my whole mouth is you.
I know.
I mean.
Once she's healed, those provisionals that we have already worked out, they're going to be used as a template for us to fabricate the final crowns. To me, the gold standard is to replicate what the patient was supposed to have. In her case, if I am able to give individual teeth, it would be much better because she would have the ability to floss. That facilitates hygiene, she feels better about it because she feels less prosthetic, she feels more natural. It looks better.
And you don't want to look augmented. You just want to look rested. So you don't want someone to ask what you've done. You always want them to ask where you've been.
And it's here.
Okay. Oh my goodness, look at these teeth.
And they look pretty?
They do.
Gorgeous, huh? Look at this.
Oh, wow.
Isn't that amazing?
Yeah, they're really pretty. Do you like them?
I love them. When we do a full mouth reconstruction, we establish a relationship. It's like a dental intimacy, if you wish, because I am really restoring teeth, but also restoring confidence.
He treats the whole patient. He values his patients. He cares.
You have another cardinal? I'm not afraid of the challenges. You can go ahead and mix. Because we know that we can help.
If Dr. Castro can't fix it, in my opinion, it probably is not feasible or, possible.
and I believe that I have the skills to help people. I've been blessed with what I do, with the skills that I have, with the team that I have, and altogether that helps me doing what I do, which is delivering great results with my patients.